Hi guys, and again I'm back. So that I'm going to I just teach you the little round bun. So in last videos I told that it's the story where in a village a old man and woman were living in a house. So they have nothing to eat, so they decided to make a little bun with the flour. Then the woman she started to make the bun, and he lit the oven, and after he baked the bun also, and then he put that bun onto the window side to become to just cool that bun. Then the bun started to jump out because he don't want to eaten by an old man and woman. So he just jumped out from the window after the bench, and bench after to the road. And then after he rolled out, he just came forward to the road, and then he saw that rabbit is coming towards the bun. Then the rabbit said that I'm going to eat you. Then the bun suggested that before you want to eat, I just want to sing a song in front of you. So the song is like that. I was scrapped from the floor box and swept from the bin and baked in the oven and cooled on the sill. I ran away from Grandpa, I ran away from Grandma, and I will away from you this minute I will. Then in this poem, he just said that I have scrapped it from the floor box, and then after I have swept from the bin also, and then I baked in the oven also, and I cooled on the window sill also, and I ran from Grandpa also and Grandma also. So like that also I will go away from you in this minute only. And off it roll and away. By and by it meet the wolf coming towards it. After that the bun he just run from there, and after that he just met the wolf towards coming it. Then I'm going to eat you up, little round bun, called the wolf. Then again wolf said that to the little one that I'm going to eat you. Don't do that, brother wolf. Let me sing a song for you. Alright, let's hear it. Then again he suggested whatever he suggested to the rabbits, that let me to sing a song. Then the wolf said that okay, just go for it. Then I was scraped from the floor box and swept from the bin and baked in the oven and cooled on the sill. I ran away from Grandpa, I ran away from Grandma, and I will run away from you in this minute I will. Then again he just said that that I came from the scrap from the floor box after I swept from the bin also, and then baked in the oven, and for cooled I kept in the windowsill, and then I ran from the Grandpa, I ran from the Grandma. In fact I ran from the rabbit also. Like that I will run from you also. So on that this minute he just ran. Then after and away it rolled, by and by it meet a bear coming towards it. First rabbit, then second the wolf, and the third he just saw the bear who is coming towards the bun. I'm going to eat you up, little round bun, called the bear. Then again the bear called that I'm going to eat you. Don't do that, brother bear. I'm singing a song instead. Alright, let's hear it. So again he just said that I'm going to sing a song in front of you. Then the rabbit said okay, go for it. Then again he sing a song. I was scraped from the floor box and swept from the bin and baked in the oven and cooled on the sill. I ran away from Grandpa, I ran away from Grandma, and I will run from you this minute I will. Then again he said that I have run from the Grandpa, I have run from the Grandma also, so that I ran from you also. Then after on that he just away and he rolled up. Then by again next he meet the fox towards it. I am going to eat you, said the little round one called the fox. Then again the fox said that I am going to eat you, little round one. Don't eat that, sister fox, I will sing a song instead. Alright, hear it. Then again he just said that don't eat me, sister fox, I will sing a song for you. Then the fox said, okay, go for it. So again the song is that. For that you watch the next videos. Thank you, and I hope till there you have understood the chapter.